this video, I'm going to draw Mega Minion Jerry from the new movie Despicable Me 4 in 4 styles. First, I'm going to divide the drawing. But before we start, let's decide in what style I will draw the first side. I'll pull out a random style from this box. Oh, cartoon style. Let's start.
One hour later.
What's the next style? Which character you want me to draw in 4 styles in next video? Let me know in the comments. Now the third side, but what style would it be? I pulled gingerbread style, so let's start. Now the final side, but what style would it be? For the final side, I'm going to draw Mega Minion Jerry in X-ray style. While I'm drawing the last side, I want to remind you that I have a Patreon. I already posted many content, tutorials, exclusive drawings, drawings from art school and a lot more. You can sign up for a paid subscription to get access to exclusive content, or just join for free. Now there's a vote for a new video. Every vote is important, so just follow the link in the description and join our community. Don't forget to write in comments which side is your favorite. Follow me on Patreon by the link in the description, and also you can see my previous videos. They are on the screen. See you in next videos.